Today we're making 4 different breakfast tortilla recipes. Each one takes just 5 minutes of your time. That's it. They are so delicious and definitely worth making. Each one is better than the one before and they are all customizable. So let's start. First, drizzle a little olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Crack in some eggs in a bowl, whisk and season with salt and pepper, and pour them into the pan. Let them cook for about a minute or two, just until the eggs are solid and almost cooked. You will know they are ready when the edges start turning white. Now place your tortilla right on top. Make sure it's the same size as your pan. Once the eggs are cooked through, flip your egg tortilla. For my classic version, I'm adding some mozzarella cheese, along with some edam cheese. Of course, this part is completely customizable. Use whatever cheese that you love. Fold it and press right on top just to make sure that your tortilla sticks. And that is it, a quick, filling breakfast in under 5 minutes. Now let's move on to the pepperoni tortilla. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil to a pan over medium-high heat, then layer some pepperoni and let it cook for a minute or two. Once your pepperoni is cooked, add 2 eggs seasoned with salt and pepper. That's the base for all my tortilla recipes. And again, you want to wait until your eggs are almost cooked, then place your tortilla right on top. Then we're going to flip. For this one, I'm using a mix of American cheese and Monterey Jack cheese for a nice kick. I'll also add some fresh arugula. Once you're done with the filling, fold it. This is a simple, cheesy, and full of flavor breakfast. If you want to see more tortilla breakfast ideas, comment down below. I've got lots more like this one. Yum, this one is absolutely delicious. Now let's move on to the vegetable tortilla. Again, similar to the other tortilla recipes, we will start with olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Once it is hot, add your chopped onion. By the way, you will find all the ingredients listed in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. When the onion is fragrant, toss in some sliced mushrooms, and I always like to use fresh mushrooms. Then add chopped red and green bell peppers for color. We will saute everything together. For this one, I also added some butter, about a teaspoon. Then pour in your eggs seasoned with salt and pepper. Just a small tip, move your pan slightly to spread the eggs evenly. Once they are almost cooked, add your tortilla on top. flip it over and add mozzarella cheese and some edam cheese. You can also add mild or sharp cheddar. Fold it and that's your veggie tortilla done. You can use whatever vegetables that you like. As I told you, you can customize it to your liking. If you are enjoying this recipe, support me by liking this video. This is how I know that you want more of my recipes. Now for the tomato and egg tortilla. Again, some olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add some sliced tomato. Let them cook for a minute or two, then flip them to the other side so they get a nice color as well. Pour in the base, again 2 eggs, salt and pepper. When they start to set, place your tortilla on top. Now flip it, and if it feels like sticking or you don't want to ruin it, do not worry. Just flip it into a plate first, then slide it back into the pan. This little trick works for any version. To finish, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top, oregano, and mild cheddar. Fold it and it is ready to serve. If you have ever heard about shakshuka, this one is inspired by that recipe. And there you have it, 4 easy breakfast tortillas, classic pepperoni, veggie, and tomato egg. Whenever I want a breakfast that feels special but doesn't take too much time, I make one of these. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give this video a like. Let me know which version was your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. I post twice a week. See you in the next video. Bye bye.